Introducing the Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper, the ultimate tool for efficient and versatile cooking. This kitchen utensil serves as both a meat chopper and a potato masher, making it a must-have for any home cook. With its 5-blade design and heat-resistant construction, this tool excels at chopping and stirring ground meat, mashing soft cooked foods, and blending fruit juice concentrates and sauces. Made of Bpa-Free nylon and compatible with all types of cookware, the Farberware meat chopper offers convenience, safety, and ease of use. Join us as we explore the features that make this tool a game-changer in the kitchen. Here are the key features of Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. Effortless ground meat cooking. Experience the convenience of cooking ground beef and ground turkey with the Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper. This versatile utensil allows you to easily chop and stir ground meat, ensuring even cooking and perfect texture. Say goodbye to the tedious process of breaking up meat with a spoon or spatula. The Farberware meat chopper streamlines your cooking, making ground meat preparation a breeze. Blade design for superior mashing. The innovative 5-blade design of the Farberware meat chopper serves a dual purpose. Not only does it excel at chopping meat, but it also doubles as a masher for softer cooked foods. Mash potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, and a variety of other ingredients with ease. The angled blades scrape the sides of bowls and pots, ensuring thorough mixing and mashing for a consistent and delightful texture. Heat-resistant and safe for all cookware, the Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper is designed with safety in mind. The oversized head, made of Bpa-Free nylon, is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that you can confidently use it on hot foods, including ground meat and potatoes, without worrying about melting or damaging your cookware. It is safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated surfaces. Easy to use for quick and efficient cooking. Using the Farberware meat chopper is a breeze. Simply press the blades into cooked food and mash until you achieve the desired consistency. The angled blades make it easy to scrape the sides of bowls and pots, ensuring thorough mixing and mashing. Whether you're preparing mashed potatoes or blending homemade sauces, this tool simplifies the process and saves you time in the kitchen. Dishwasher-Safe for effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand-washing kitchen tools. The Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Simply place it in the dishwasher, and it will come out sparkling clean, ready for your next cooking adventure. Enjoy the convenience of a tool that not only simplifies your cooking but also simplifies your cleanup routine. Conclusion: upgrade your cooking experience with the Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper, the ultimate kitchen companion. Whether you're chopping ground meat, mashing potatoes, or blending sauces, this versatile tool excels at every task. With its heat-resistant and safe construction, user-friendly design, and dishwasher-safe feature, the Farberware meat chopper offers convenience, efficiency, and ease of use. Simplify your cooking process and elevate your culinary creations with the Farberware Multifunctional Meat Chopper.